day to the LPT followers.
My name is Stacy Colin Locson.
And I am Ganov Marijoy V.
I am Twinkle Joyce Malinaw.
I am Nadia Lorraine Desani.
And I am Florence Esteban.
And our role is an English teacher.
And we are the Study Up number 7.
I'm trying to implement a more learner-centered approach in my classroom, but the problem is I'm struggling with classroom management and I'm worried about keeping things organized and ensuring everyone is on task.
Well, it's a common challenge. I found that establishing clear routines and procedures from day one is crucial.
Yes, and involving students in creating class norms can help them feel ownership and responsibility.
I also think it's important to have a mix of learning activities that caters different learning styles. My students love having learning centers because they can choose activities that interest them.
But don't forget about the importance of logical consequences. Instead of punishment, we can make the students teach about making a better choices.
Good points. I'll try incorporating these ideas into my classroom. So, thanks you all.
You know, I've been using a choice board for my students. It's a learning tools where they get to pick from a variety of topics or lessons that is related to the learning objectives. It also gives them some autonomy and encourage them to explore their interests.
That's interesting. I've been experimenting with think, pair, share activities. It helps students process information and collaboration. But I found that some students are more talkative than others, and it can be tricky to keep them on track.
I hear you. I've been using a talking chips system to manage that. Every student have a certain number of chips, and each of them have a chip for them to talk. And it is a great way for them to have the chances to participate in every discussion.
So I found that just being clear and concise with expectations really helps. So if the student finds out what is the expected to them, so the students, they are more likely to be on task.
Well, these are great ideas. I'm feeling more confident about creating a learner-centered classroom now.
You got this, Ma'am Locson. Remember, it's all about creating a positive learning environment where students feel respected and empowered to learn.
And have fun with it. Kids can sense when you're passionate about what you're teaching, and that makes a big difference.
Thanks everyone. I'm definitely going to try implementing some of these strategies now.
We're all in this. If you ever need help or want to brainstorm ideas, just reach out.
Thank you.